Good afternoon, YouTubers. We got it all going on today. So, CR250 strip down, and basically that nut there took me 5 hours to get off. Plus, I stupidly damaged the casing when I dropped it. Look at that. That is very annoying. Almost as annoying as finding that smashed bolt hole at the bottom, which the seller didn't tell me about, obviously. But yeah, going back to the 5 hours, I could not get that clutch nut off. Not until I fabricated this. Well, what do you reckon to that, eh? Looks like some sort of 16th century bear trap. Might even use it to try and catch the feral cats out of the boat there. So yeah, we got that going on. To the tunes of the KLF, and basically, this is Mark 1 Escort brake rod. The only reason I'm using it is because it's the only bit of tube I can find. So, I've drilled and threaded this one. I've got to drill and thread this one, and then make them up to my 5/8 bolt angle iron for my DIY shifter. Shifter? DIY puller. There you go. So, all you people over there in America land, you just don't know how lucky you got it. Harbour Freights and Walmarts. I don't know. It's going to take me best part of 8 hours just to try and split the cases on this thing. So, along with this nice warm cup of coffee here and the KLF, I will say good afternoon, and I'll catch you lot later on. Cheerio now.